Hello guys! Today I do have the DJI camera and I'm going to tell you how you can easily do a setup of this camera. So, at first we need to turn this on. To do so, you need to hold this power button over here and just click it actually. Once done, here you should see Osmo device name, and here scan QR code to download an app and connect the device for activation. Here, as you can see, I do have my phone, and let me quickly unzoom so that you can see what I am doing on my phone. Here, now I need to open the camera. Where is that? On my device. Here, camera, and now we need to just scan this QR code. We need to tap this link over here, and now I can move onto my device. Here, as you can see, we do have our application. Here, let's tap get, and it should redirect us straight to the Android APK. Tap it, and now we are here downloading anyway our APK file. Download should be here now in progress. Apart from here, this APK file over here, we can go straight to the Play Store. Tap search, and here in the search bar we can search just for the DJI Mimo and search. This is this application, DJI Mimo. Now here I do have actually this application installed right now, so I can stop the file installation over here. Oh, as I can say, it's too late, but yes, here as I can see we have our application. And now we are downloading the resource file. Let's wait a moment. Resource file loaded successfully. Now we are here, and what we have to do now is to here tap on our camera and here tap the camera. Okay. Allow all. Okay. Here allow. Once again here, and now our camera should be automatically found by our phone. Here tap connect, and now we are connecting. Here 4126 4126. We need to tap accept on our camera, and here tap agree. Wait a moment, I need to lower my brightness level because my phone automatically set it up very high so that I can see it during the night. Oh, I can't, I don't know why. Okay, let it be like that. Here tap allow access and next. Here they have something called activate after login. DJI device information will be linked to this account and serve as proof of warranty. Let's tap login, and now you can log in either with your email and phone number, password, or register. Here, as you can see, using your mail. But I will use here next login using my Google account. Agree and login. And now here, as you can see, this is my mail. We need to activate, and now here we can go to the camera. Now we can tap start. Here we do have the record button. We can tap this X. Here, as I can see, the camera is ready to use. And let me quickly find some base for that so that it won't be in a bad condition. And now here we can tap skip in the top right corner. Here we do have some user feedback. We can tap this X if you don't want to do so. If you can, just do it. You can tap get started. Some quick tutorial. Done. Here tap connect. And now we are successful. Here, as you can see, we do have our camera preview. What we do have here is our device name, but I leave it as it is. We can tap OK. By the moment my flowers are floating around. And now if we tap home, we can move back to our home in our application. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.